Saturday, ladies and gentlemen, guys. All right, this is the most fun part I love about my job. Give me a second. You remember I told you guys in the other video I have a little robe, and robes for us, oh my god, guys, look. All right, and oh, I didn't put it right, but look at this. Look at this, look at this, look at it. Can you guys see that? Look at that. Look. Okay, let me do my intro before I get carried away. Okay. Before that. What would Cardi B say? Oh. Okay, sorry. I'm just so excited. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fallah. I hope you guys are doing amazing. I hope you guys are being so wonderful. So welcome back. This is like the third video of my new collection that I was showing. I've been showing you guys and talking about. Okay guys, this is so, oh my god. Now I feel like I just want to go to bed. Okay, this is not, I don't know if this is just for African women or black women or color women, but a lot of women, I don't want to be gender specific, I don't want to be color specific. I'm not sure about white people, I don't know, so I don't want to go into being da 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 da. I'm just gonna go into me. Whenever I go to bed, I always wrap my hair. I have a head tie. I have a lot of different head tie, but now this is like a best way to actually match your head, your cap and your robe. Oh my god, look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me. Okay, I have a lot of this robe. I have it in so many different colors, so today I'm not going to talk too much about everything. I'm just going to show you guys the robes and the colors. Oh, my heart is beating so fast. Okay, the robe and the colors, I'm like literally completely in the robe right now, like ready to go to bed, except the fact that I have makeup on, but you know what I mean. So, and I also have these caps in different size, color, somewhere in here. Okay, I'm not gonna go through that, but I will show you guys what I mean. So I have this one. I have a different set. I have it in yellow. This, what color is this? I think this is pink, but I'm not sure. Right now I feel like I'm all excited and colorblind. This is yellow. Let me show you guys more. Red. Okay, so the fun thing is not every of it comes with what I expected. You guys know these sandals, so in few set I put the sandals, so that's like different, not everybody wants the sandals, but you have your sandals, you have your cap, you have your robe. You could just walk around in your house with like a coffee in your hand in the morning, or your hot cocoa, or sitting down watching TV with the remote. It's so comfortable, and this is like this is what I feel like is the new in style right now. So I have this cap, and then also, okay, this cap go for this room, and I have this cap this way. It just comes as a sleeping cap. Look inside, guys. Look at that. Like literally, this is amazing. Okay. Okay, this is this one, and this one they give you more extra rope if you just want to style it, turn it around, make it look super fancy. It's up to you. We black women, we always like to protect our hair before we go to bed. Not everyone does that. I'm not sure if white people does that, or Asian, or who, but we black women, I'm pretty sure it's like 99% guarantee. We black women always love to protect our hair before we go to bed. I don't know why we do that. I don't know how we started doing that. Okay, I don't know why we do that. I don't know how we started doing that, but we does that. That's something that every African person does, every human of color, as in woman, does, or because you guys know what I'm talking about. So this is I have it in like so many different colors, but I have a lot of mess. For the past couple of days I've been trying to photo shoot everything. So if you guys want to see all these robes, check out my Instagram. I keep saying it, check out my Instagram, check out my TikTok. You guys will see it right there. They are so beautiful, they are so comfortable. And also I'll be going through the farmers market. I applied for few, but when that happened, I will let you guys what days. You guys, anyone in San Diego area, you guys could actually meet with me right there and see what I'm talking about, or go through it. And farmers market is like the most convenient place for people to find organic stuff, people to find organic food, organic oil, organic honey, and all of the above. That include educational themes as well, not just that. So my fashion will be, so whenever they reach out back to me, I'll put the link or the information below. You guys could just swing by if you are in that area and then check it out. I'm so excited and so like, oh my god. I would tell, no, I would say, but that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Oh, me and my ring, it look like a mirror, but not really. It just looks so cute on my finger right now. So I've been feeling it for the past couple of weeks with my nails too, but this broke. So let me enjoy being fake married. Okay, I'm done. So that's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you guys on Saturday or Tuesday or Saturday or Tuesday. At this point, I'm just recording because I'm super excited and I'm trying for you guys to see this beautiful, amazing work that I put into it so many times, so many investments, so many lack hours of sleep, or sleep, or lack of sleepness. So I hope you guys help support this business. Please check it out. I keep saying it, please support. You don't have to buy, but sharing the words, telling people means a lot. But if you decide to buy anything and you actually, okay, let me do this. If any one of you guys see this video and you guys decide to buy any of this clothing from my Instagram and you see my videos, please link out the video you see, and please link out your name, so when you order, you might end up getting a discount, a family discount. But it just depends on how much you guys know. But that would be like a bonus thing I would try to do. If you guys order from this, anyone that's a YouTuber, I mean anyone, any family member from my channel right here that actually want to check out my Instagram and like something from there, they want to buy it, just tell me, oh, I watched this video, and then, you know, because on TikTok or YouTube there is a time zone, and then tell me your name, and then from there I will look up what you order, and then you might end up getting at least, let's say, 5 or 10% discount on it. You know, you never know. It's just a lucky day. So that's all I have to. That would be like the bonus thing from you guys here to my my business Instagram. All right, let me stop talking. I'm just super excited. I hope you guys love this robe, because I am feeling this robe. Oh, yalla 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 yalla, ah, yalla yalla yalla. Okay, peace out. Be safe, be fashionable. Know that Fallah love you, but she doesn't love you as much as you love yourself. The she's